Good evening, friends. So today I will discuss the most important and frequently asked questions in class 10th board examination. In previous class, I have explained the basic concept of mensuration and I have solved 2 or 3 questions that have asked 3 or 4 times in board examination. So I am going to solve this question. If you will understood the concept of this question, you can solve many types of similar question. The question is, a sphere of diameter 12 centimeter is dropped in a right circular cylinder vessel partially filled with water. If the sphere completely submerged in water, the water level in cylindrical vessel raised by 3.5 by 9 centimeter. Find the diameter of the cylinder. The question is, you have one cylindrical vessel and somewhat water is already in that cylinder. If you will put one sphere in that cylinder, what will happen? The water level will be increased. And you know that the volume of a sphere will be always equal to the volume of cylinder raised by the water level, that is 3.5 by 9 centimeter. So how I will write? Volume of a sphere is equal to volume of cylinder raised by 9 centimeter. We know that the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of cylinder is, here r will be small because sphere is smaller than cylinder, and here volume of cylinder, you know that pi r square h, and in question the radius of a sphere is given, the diameter is given 12 centimeter. So the radius will be 12 by 2. That means 6 centimeter. You have to put here 6. So 4 by 3. Here pi and pi will be cancelled. 4 by 3 into 6 cube equals to r. You have to find into h is given. 3.5 by 9. 9 3s are 27 and 27 plus 5. 32 by 9 centimeter. 32 by 9 centimeter. How we will find r? This 9 will come this side in numerator and this 32 will come this side in denominator. So r square will be 4 into 6 cube into 9 divide by 3 into 32. 4 8 ja, 3 3 ja, 27 ja, r square equals to 81. So r will be 9 centimeter, and we have to find diameter of cylinder. Diameter equals to 2 into r, that means 2 into 9 equals to 18 centimeter, and 18 centimeter is the answer of this question.